with the unboxing of the Essential phone. This was a phone and a company that was started by Andy Rubin, the father of Android. He decided he wanted to make his own company, his own phone, and this is his first shot at it. Unfortunately, it got off to a bad start. It used to be $700, and it had a lot of problems. A lot of problems have been fixed, and now it's down to $500, which is a pretty good price for what you get. It comes in a really nice box. And you take the plastic off, and then you pull a little tab, and you are ready to go. Let's see what we got here. So as you see, we have the phone. We have a really nice USB-C cord. We have the headphone adapter, since it does not have a headphone on it, and the fast charger. The thing that really excited me about this phone was that it's the same size as my Pixel. Here's the Pixel, and they're pretty much the same size. But the Pixel is a 5-inch screen. And this has a 5.7-inch screen. So to get that size screen in this size phone is really awesome. So we're going to take the plastic off. Take the plastic off. There's that big screen. We're going to take the plastic off the back. There's that shiny, shiny ceramic. It is now available in a matte finish, a matte gray, which you can get on Amazon for the same price, which is $4.99. For some reason, Essential sells it for $5.99. And we're just going to power it on and see if it has any power on it. That's the symbol for Essential. And it's starting up. And just back to the box a little bit, we get the SIM clip, which is also the symbol for Essential. So really nice box. Feels really nice. It's a little heavy. It's actually very heavy. And it has that notch. And we're going to get started. And we'll pick up when I am done.